Hi children, a very good morning to one and all. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. My dear children, hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Did you study the portions we have taken last week? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Today we will discuss the grammar topic of lesson 7, Where are the peanuts? And the topic is position word. What is position word? Do you have any idea about it? No. So listen to me carefully. Position words are words that tells where a person or an animal or thing or a place is. That means it tells the position of something. Not only that, it also tells when something has happened. So what is a position word? It tells us where a person, animal, thing or a place is. It also tells when something has happened. My dear children, these position words always followed by a noun or a pronoun. And there are so many position words or preposition. Yes, position words are also known as preposition. Position words are also known as preposition. And there are so many prepositions or position words. And now you have to study 3 position words. And they are in, on, under. Which are the position words, dear? Yes, in, on, under. Let us find some examples. Okay. What is it? Yeah, it is a flower vase. Where is the flower? Where is the flower? Yeah, the flower is in the vase. Where is the flower? The flower is in the vase. In. So, which is the position word? In. In the vase. What is it? It is also another vase. And here you can see pen. And where is the pen? Where are the pens? Where are the pens? Yeah, the pens are in the vase. The pens are in the vase. So which is the position word? In. In the vase. Inside the vase. Is it clear? Now, see this. What is this? Yes, this is a computer. And where is the computer? Where is the computer? Yes, the computer is on the table. Where is the computer? Where is the place of computer? The computer is on the table. So which is the position word here? Yeah, on. Which is the position word? On. Where is the computer? It is on the table. Okay. Now see, my dear children. Where is the bag? This is a bag. Isn't it? Yeah. And where is the bag? Yes, very good. It is on the table. The bag is on the table. So which is the position word used here? On. On the table. It is on the table. Okay. Now, what can you see here? There is a book and a pouch. Where is the place of book? Yeah, it is under the pouch. The book is under the pouch. So which is the position word used here? Yes, under. Which is the position word? Under. Means the book is under the pouch. The book is under the pouch. Okay. Now what is this? You can see a scale and a book. And where is the place of the scale? Is it under or on? Yeah, on the book or under the book? Yes, the scale is under the book. Under. The scale is under the book. I hope all of you understood the use of position word. Which are the position words? Yes, in, on, under. In, on, under. Isn't it? In, on, under. Is it clear? Yes. Now, let us see some more examples. See this picture. Where is the boy? Yes, the boy is in the car. Where is the boy? The boy is in the car. And where is the car? The car is under the bridge. Where is the car? The car is under the bridge. Then, where are the birds? Where are the birds? Yes, they are under the clouds. They are under the clouds. And where are the boys? Yeah, the boys are on the bench. The boys are on the bench. Let us see some more examples. What is this? What is the first picture? Where is the hen? Yes, the hen is in the basket. And second picture, where is the bird? Yeah, bird is on the branch of a tree. And third picture, where is the ball? Yeah, the ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. Now, see here. Where is the carrot in the first picture? Yes, carrot is on the chair. See the second picture. Where is the apple? Apple is in the basket. Third picture, where is the pumpkin? Pumpkin is under the chair. Now let us see where is the ball in three pictures. First picture, where is the ball? Yes, the ball is in the basket. Second picture, where is the ball? Yeah, the ball is on the table. And in third picture, where is the place of ball? Yeah, the ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Now, where is the pencil? The pencil is on the book. The pencil is on the book. Second picture, where is the glue? Glue is in the basket. The glue is in the basket. And in third picture, where is the sharpener? Can you see the sharpener? Yeah, where is it? Very good. It is under the table. The sharpener is under the table. The pencil is on the book. The glue is in the basket. The sharpener is under the table. Is it clear, my dear children? Yes. So, which are the position words? Tell me once more. In, on, under. These are the position words. And position words are also known as preposition. What is the word? Preposition. And what are position words? Yes, position words are words that shows where a person or an animal or thing or a place is. It also tells us when something has happened. Then position words are followed by naming words or pronouns. Today we discussed the position words and some examples. I have attached another URL in our Google Classroom. Please watch it. And I have also attached a worksheet relating to this position word. Do it and keep it with you. That's all for today. Thank you.